I'll show you. Woo! Cool and nice. Look what I found, guys. This is the cocoon of a busy. It fell from the tree and all the busy must have scattered somewhere around here, but I'll find even one busy for you. This is, okay, here we are. I found a busy, guys. Here we are. This is a busy right here. Okay, guys. Still got the meat on it, guys. So you take this off. You take this off. Okay. Take this off, guys. You take this off. This is the meat. Or you take the meat before you get to the real good thing, guys. Now you can see the real good busy natural antibiotic, guys. Okay, nature's offer us everything. Nature's give us everything, guys. Everything we need, guys. And this is the famous busy, guys. Famous busy. Natural antibiotic, guys. Whatever there is, guys, to clean the busy. The busy. Food poisoning. Huh. Food poisoning. Talk to the busy, guys. This is what we call it here. Cola nuts. Okay, probably the proper name for it, or if you look in the book, if you're doing your research, cola nut. Okay, but we call it the busy. Local name for it, okay? The busy. Here we go, guys. Okay, and what we do, we grate this, and we grate this on the grater. Okay, and then we could just eat it just like that, or we could make tea from it, guys. Okay, and even juice. And this is your natural antibiotic, guys, the famous busy. Look how beautiful she is. Yes, guys, everything is falling from the tree, guys. Everything. Look what we found here now. Guava. A guava, guys. Okay, found a guava. It's not good. It fell from the tree. It's a little overripe. Found a guava right here. The earth is providing. The earth loves us. Nature loves us. Let us love nature. This is an whole busy on the ground, guys. Fell from the tree. Here it is on the ground. Pretty soon we'll have a busy tree comes up from this little busy right here, and many more. Yes, my people, I'm out in the countryside. The countryside, guys. You have been here before. I've taken you guys here before, so you're not a stranger to this neck of the woods. Okay, was all my banana tree over there, guys. It's not harvest time now, guys. We'll be here every year, every Christmas. Apple, guys. The apple are on their way, guys. Okay, guys, we are not yet a fully apple up, but here are the beautiful blossoms. This is where your apple comes from, guys. Look how beautiful it is, guys. Look how beautiful it is, guys. Look how beautiful it is, guys. This is the apple, the blossom of the apple. So all your nice, beautiful Tahiti apple comes from here, guys. Okay, this is our apple, guys. We love apples, guys. And as soon as this apple tree is up, guys, I will show you a video with me climbing this apple tree, picking and eating beautiful, delicious apples, guys. Look how beautiful it is. I just love, 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 love nature, guys. This is a love affair between me and nature and all the inhabitants of nature, guys. I love being here, guys. I have been in the city too long, just doing business, trying to get things up. So I missed the countryside, guys. This is our next apple tree here. This is like 3 apple trees in a row I have here, guys. And they are all blossoming, guys. All blossoming. Waiting for harvest, harvesting soon. Here's the next small apple tree, guys. But it's also blossoming too, you see? It's also blossoming too, guys. Did you know that this could be eaten? Steam like vegetable? I have seen people heat these things, but I've never eaten it. But I've seen people chop it up like cabbage and steam it. Eat it. Banana. They call it banana baby. This is called a banana baby. Let's go, guys. Let's try the true nature. I have lots of banana, guys. Banana, no problem. Banana, coconut, breadfruit, no problem. Okay, guys, so this is how lucky we are in our neck of the woods. So if we are building a house, we don't really have to go far to buy sand. We could just get the sand from the river right here. Right here, we've been doing this for years, getting the sand and the stone from the river to do our building work. Okay, guys, and this right here is a nice heap of sand, a couple of yards right here, guys. Ready to, the guys, they put it in the bucket, put it on the head, and they just transfer it up the top, up to the building, up to the road where the truck could pick it up. Yep. So this is how we do it in our neck of the woods. The river is flowing, flowing free, flowing with that beautiful energy. Yes. You don't need to hide, you just step inside. This is beautiful Rio Cobre River, guys. All the way from St. Mary through St. Catherine, all the way to Kingstown, all the way to the sea. Beautiful, beautiful Rio Cobre. I have had many baths in this river. I have catch many fish from this river. I learned to swim in this river, guys. Give thanks for nature. Gashin. Okay, guys, you know what this is? Do you know what this is, guys? Pimento. This is pimento tree, guys. Okay. Pimento. Very sweet. Very smelly, sweet, smelly. Good for your seasoning. Pimento tree, guys. See? It's young. Here goes a little lizard right here. Little green lizard, you see? It's young. It's just coming up. I'll take care of it, make sure it comes. You don't have to do much to these trees here, guys. They just grow on their own, guys. They just grow on their own. Beautiful pimento. Bamboo. Beautiful bamboo.